Yo, what's up everybody? Check this out, what's going on here. We are in the one place and it's so busy everywhere, from people from all around the world. Even the doggos are in the restaurant. Nice place. This table was taken, but soon somebody gonna sit here. And like this one, quite a lot of people. Saying where we are actually.
We are in Canggu, and this restaurant is the busiest spot for the breakfast.
Let's see what's going on. And people even waiting outside on the parking area and the waiting place there. Crazy. Only in Canggu places like this one.
Alright, I'll show you the restaurant from outside, and here is the look from inside. What I can say that all tables are taken, and even the doggo is here. So wow, what I can say then, people come in and out, so busy. I think that everybody likes the doggo there. So we've got the seating here. You see, like I told you, people coming in and out. And that's the kitchen basically over there.
That's our coffee arrived. Hot cappuccino, looks nice with the little swan, like let's say the swan. Coconut sugar, healthy stuff, Canggu, but yeah, I mean it's busy. Look at this. So no matter where you go here, this table was empty, now it's busy. Yeah, I will enjoy my coffee, alright? But also, I don't know if you realize, most international visitors, but they are international Asian people. And this is because the menu is like with kimchi and everything, because they have a Korean fusion here. I couldn't find anything for myself, that's why only enjoying my coffee here. My coffee, that's it. But definitely little doggo is the biggest attraction of this place. This is unbelievable. Everybody coming, making picture of doggo. Doggo inside the air-conditioned fusion Asian restaurant. This is like, I mean, it's interesting in general. Look at this doggo, so happy. This is the outside situation here. That's the place. Yeah, it's kind of busy, I'm gonna tell you. But Canggu is very specific place in general. Little place, that's the vibe in here. Overall, I mean, yeah, everything. And the name is like this one, Sensorium. Now we move to different restaurants. It's called Copenhagen. Sounds Danish. Look at the crowds. Unbelievable. How many people waiting here to get to this small coffee shop? Unbelievable. Check this out. The Canggu is just different state of mind. I gonna tell you, totally different state of mind. That's the people, little coffee place. Very successful, it has to be very successful. And that's the people waiting. Copenhagen. Interesting name. How is the menu? We're gonna show them.
Alright, so this is basically the breakfast menu. If you choose 3 pieces, 69k, 5 pieces, 99k, and if you add 1 pieces, 27. So no wonder this place is so freaking busy. Nice deal.
How much is the coffee? How much is the coffee? Coffee is also 32. Not bad. Maybe cheaper. Maybe that's why it's busy. Overall, this is a little bit outrageous situation, because check this out. This is little place, Copenhagen. Next door is something, I don't know, everybody waiting actually to the one place, but all the 3 places, this is the one with this bamboo thingy. Other one is this one, Rise and Shine. It's busy. And then other one, and that's the laundry actually on the middle. This is funny. And then the other place is also busy. But this one have an outrageous queue. I only decide to wait here, just curious what is really inside. How's the food? Because loud bikes, I hate them. Anyways, what I was talking about, I just really gonna wait here for half hour just to show you, because I'm really curious what's the hype about. It's just unbelievable. Look at this guy outfit, by the way. This is beat the Canggu one. He just walk on the street with pyjama on. Look at this lad. Also, I would like to notice is most of the people here, they are very European look. Well, Copenhagen, so it's capital city of Denmark, in case if you are poor with your geography, because I know some people don't know. And yeah, overall also people from all around the world coming here. We are waiting already for 20 minutes and more people coming, so even some seller. Queue, man. And then will be the additional, the guy wanted to crush me. And overall, this is how the situation look like here. Also inside the restaurant looks like this one. Basically, I forgot to show you. We are still waiting. Yeah, like this one, coconuts. Little place actually. There is not that. They could have a 3 times bigger for these people who are waiting here, but as you see, a lot of people coming in.
Basically, here is the kitchen, and people are keep waiting. And look at the long queue. After waiting for about 1 hour and more, and look at this, almost all the sitting actually taken. Even that we have to share the table, basically, with other people.
When we are sitting here already waiting like 45 minutes for our food, didn't arrive yet, but it's so busy here. And I was thinking, if this is Copenhagen, right? So why, if it's Copenhagen, capital city of Denmark, right? Why I don't open the same restaurant, similar concept restaurant, but with the name Warsaw? It's already Paris baguette, there is Berlin kebab, there is Copenhagen here, there will be something else. Why no Warsaw? I will open Warsaw or maybe Krakow, because Krakow is more more busy actually, more popular city than Warsaw. Anyways, that's only thinking and joking actually, nothing serious, don't take me wrong. But also I just would like to notice as this place, the crowd here is mostly European people, while the previous one, they were mostly Asian people. So you can feel already that's dividing stuff in Canggu. This place have a audience like this one, Asian people and little bit the Asian fusion, and this one like typical European crowd. So far, not too many Australian or American here yet. I didn't see today. Diane, this food looks good. What do you have, baby?
I don't know, this is the list. We've got cinnamon roll, the scrambled egg, and then all the things.
All of this for 99,000, right?
Yeah.
99, 5 pieces. Looks good. I will take care of this one because I'm on diet, so I think only a little bit. You enjoy the rest, Diane, okay? Smacznego. That was our breakfast here. Check this out. It's already nearly 12 and still very, very busy, but this is Canggu. Like I said already many times, Canggu and Ubud, they are two the most busiest part of Bali. Right now in 2023, and actually during pandemic also was similarly, okay, Ubud was quiet, but Canggu was pretty busy. And we're gonna go till the end of this road to the second part of today's video, because it's been a while actually where we were showing you this area here, and also additionally there is a lot of brand new businesses and also pretty successful businesses, as you actually already realized what we showed you previous places. But this is like an old village of Canggu. As you know, the villages usually they were like 2-3 kilometers from the ocean, deep inside the land. So Canggu village, actually the old village is here, but soon gonna be the rice fields, or actually what left from the rice fields. But hold on, we have to pass the village first. This is how it is, actually mixed between local villagers, Canggu villagers who are living here, and the fancy establishments where are everywhere. It's just like a mix actually, because you can still find the warung selling only nasi goreng or some other nasi jingo stuff, but next to it will be fancy restaurant. And basically this is it, mix between local vibe and the tourist vibe. But this is like a proper Canggu village actually, like an old village. And so quite a lot of people actually driving around. It's 11:40 at morning. It's nearly lunchtime, but in Canggu people waking up a little bit later. Of course the international people, because the locals waking up is normal at 5 or 6 a.m. That's no difference. But the traffic situation here like this one, also you have to drive seamlessly here. But some people don't feel it, doesn't really matter. Basically this is the end of the village. I'm gonna speed up a little bit because I wanna show you the part where are the rice fields. Because Canggu had a beautiful rice field, there are villas, and of course the few villas here and the construction, and the rice field starting here. Or actually I should say this is what left from the rice fields, because right now you can see so many restaurants everywhere. To be honest, like not so long ago, maybe at the beginning of pandemic, the really only rice fields were here, not much. But right now, I mean, construction everywhere, and so many buildings, and mostly they are restaurants everywhere, on the left, on the right. There is no more rice fields actually. If not, as I told you, as there are rice fields here, you will don't remember as there are any rice fields, not many left. So many buildings, so many restaurants, only little rice fields left here. Basically another continuation of Canggu development already came here. Yeah, pretty sad to see, but development of Canggu is really big. Always is going, so many interesting businesses. Basically, yeah, there is no empty land left here. Basically not. They even have a money changer right now. Some shops, some restaurants, something under construction. Basically like this one. There were something with the rice field view, but the rice field is gone. So even if you build something with the rice field view, it's just temporary. 1-2 years later, there will be no rice field. And this is the end of the road actually. And at the same time, the end of the Canggu village, where is this gate over here. And there is just the babi guling shop. I will pull over here just to show you, maybe interested. Instead of having nice breakfast Western, would you like to have a babi guling? This is nice place for having a babi guling, by the way. Just interesting fact. So also I would like to notice is behind me is the babi guling shop, which is traditional Balinese dish. And as you can see, only few local people sitting there. Mostly they look like drivers actually on the break, to be honest. And that's it. But if you go to Copenhagen, full people waiting on the street. So explain me this. This is phenomenon in general, but this is Bali and Canggu especially in 2023. On this occasion, I would like to say thank you for listening, watching. Hope so you enjoyed. And as always, looking forward to see you tomorrow on next video. See ya. Take care.